She woken up?
No. How did this happen to my sister? I mean, someone needs to tell me. How?
Right, Leela, listen to me. Look, they're still running tests on Tegan, OK? So in the meantime, we just need to sit tight and stick together.
No. No, we need to see her.
But we can't yet. So I've just spoke to Misbah, and apparently Tegan had a high level of alcohol in her blood, which was brought in.
Someone needs to tell Courtney. So you're trying to tell me that Tegan was drinking heavily on her own at that time of day? Nah, that doesn't make any sense.
None of us know why Tegan got so drunk.
No, there is more to this. Stay, I am telling you, there is more to this. Someone knows something.
Steve.
She was drinking because of us, Ryan. So do you not understand? We have broke that girl's heart and it's all
All right, stop! Yeah, what happened was just an accident. Look, if I could have saved her, I would have done. I loved her just like you did.
Did? She's not even dead yet.
They're doing everything they can in there to save her life. She might still make it.
Yeah, when she does, she's gonna tell everybody the truth. So it may as well just come clean now.
Steve,
Get
no.
off me!
Listen, I'm begging you. Please, listen. No one can know.
This is not about you anymore! Okay, it's about family. And my family deserves to know the truth.
Steve. Steve, please don't do this.
Did she come round?
Test results are in.
I'm afraid it's not good.
What's happened?
We've had to put Tegan into an induced coma. There's a chance she might not wake up.
Misbah, can you tell us if there's any chance, like the tiniest chance that she might wake up?
The truth is, even if she does wake up, she could have extensive brain damage.
Tegan. Mom. Look, it's going to be okay, I promise.
I'll give you some space.
I don't know if you can hear us, Teagues, but we're all rooting for you, and we love you. And we're not going to give up on you, OK? Ain't that right, Steve?
All right, Tegan, come on. You've gone 12 rounds with leukemia and came out and talked to what you're playing at. Wake up. You know, we'll be laughing about this in a few weeks, won't we? I love you, sis. I'm so sorry. Look, if you think that we hurt you or we've let you down...
Let's get some fresh air.
What are you doing?
Right. You need to pull yourself together.
She's my sister, Ryan.
Right, you need to listen to me.
She's funny and brave and full of life. She shouldn't be lying there like that. Okay, she doesn't deserve to die.
I said, listen to me. From now on, you keep your mouth shut and your emotions in check. Do you understand?
How can you be like this?
Because I have a reputation to protect.
What, hiding the fact that you are gay?
I will do anything to protect my family. Do you understand? Anything. I mean it, Steve. You breathe a word about us, and your life won't be worth living. Lou and Lucas, they'll hate you. And then you will have nothing.
It's me. I really need to see you.
Tegan, I'm so sorry for what happened. I really am. But you left me no choice.